Hey guys, welcome back to our Queen channel. And make sure you subscribe down below and be a part of our Queen channel. Okay, so today we'll be showing you our slimes. Okay, get that one. So today, this is my Ocean Breeze Crunchy slime. Foam bead slime. And this is the Ocean Blue. Blueberry slime? Blueberry blue. It's from the Nickelodeon slime. We're going to do part 2 next because, yeah, so. It smells really
blueberry-ish.
Right, bye.